Hi folks, welcome to Cronometer University. In today's video, we will cover the basics of how to create custom recipes in Cronometer. To create a recipe, go to the Foods tab and select Custom Recipes. Here, you will see a list of any custom recipes you've created and the recipe editor. You can sort the recipe list using the arrows in the top right. To create a new recipe, just click Add Recipe, and the editor will load a new recipe for you to customize. You can enter a name and set a category and tags, which will affect where the recipe will show up in the search results on the diary. If your recipe has a label, you can enter the barcode number here. This allows you to scan the label with the barcode scanner in our mobile app. You can create any number of serving sizes for the recipe and divide it up as much as you want. For example, you might say 3 cookies in a serving, and a recipe makes 5 servings, for a total of 18 cookies. Then you can enter the ingredients for the recipe by clicking the green plus button here. Adding ingredients works just like adding food in the diary. Once you have all your ingredients entered, you can see the nutrition for each serving size in the area below by using the menu to select any of the serving sizes you created. Now click Save at the top of the screen and your recipe will be added to the list. You can now search and add that recipe to your diary whenever you like. If you have any questions, you can click the Learn More icon on any section to visit our user manual, which explains everything about the app. And that is everything you need to know about how to create custom recipes. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest information about the app. Thanks for watching.